As a Dubsado certified specialist, I'm able to offer you one-click templates for your Dubsado account. I want to show you how that works and what that means. The first one I have available is the boho neutral template. When you purchase this template, this is what you get. You get a PDF form with instructions and FAQs. It also comes with the mood board for this form with all of the color codes and the fonts listed. Um, so you'll go up here to this first page. Once you're logged into your Dubsado account, I am showing you this on let me get into that Dubsado account real quick for you. This sample account that I have, and let's go back into our PDF. Click here. You just want to make sure that you're logged in, and it brings your template right into your Dubsado account. When you first click it open, it does not have the proper formatting on the form, but once you click this copy to account and give it just a second, everything is properly formatted. The colors are there, the fonts are there, the spacing's all correct. And then from there, it's super easy for you to edit and make this fit your brand and your style. So you can, for example, change the colors. I'm going to move a little box over here, but you can change the background color here to, let's say, this nice yellow. If that was your brand color, you can click the text box and change the text here to whatever you want and make this fit your brand and your messaging. Then for the images, you just click and you can add files here to drop in. I've got one loaded already to this account, so I'm just going to switch that one there to show you how easy it is to click and switch. It is recommended that you use the same orientation of image in each spot. So, for example, this is a landscape image. This one was a portrait image. You really want to keep a portrait image there. And then you can go through and edit all of these little boxes and have things match your branding and styling. For the header words in this template, I am using a custom coded font. So this is not a font that's typically in a Dubsado account. What that means is that when you edit it, if you choose to try a different font like Helvetica and you don't like it, the font that was there is called Yesava, and it is no longer listed in the fonts here. So what you're going to do is click on formatting options and click this little eraser for clear formatting, and that brings it back to the proper font. You do have to change the color for some reason, but again, you can do that here under formatting, black. There you go. So it's pretty easy to change all of those things throughout the form. It's set up to show you different sections that are useful in helping customers decide or clients decide to book with you or not, like your how it works. It has the pricing templates in here. I have example packages listed for you so you can see what the best ways are to present pricing to clients. And then coming down, there are the packages. And then finally, this section is one that you might want to delete. This is designed to be a public proposal, meaning that this could be embedded on a website page, and then clients could make their selections and then contact you with this information. When they put this information in, it creates a lead and a job in your Dubsado account so that you can follow up with them and get them booked. I'm going to show you then the preview view of this form. And these are even styled for you to match the proposal and invoice tabs up top. You can see where we made some changes. And it's beautiful and easy for the client to navigate and understand. You select the boxes, they change colors, these things, and you're going to want to explain, how your pricing works in all of those little sections there. And then there's the submit button. It shows you the price as it goes. So that is the one-click template for Dubsado. If you need help setting up your Dubsado account, email me at kate@dearkatestudios.com, and I'm happy to help you with that. I do offer done-for-you services in that, and would love to chat. I hope this has been helpful in understanding exactly what one-click templates are and how they work. Have a great day.